Around the corner from Cumberland's Phantom Farms, this brick-faced colonial sits in a tranquil cul-de-sac. Tall, verdant trees along the adjacent apple orchard enhance the sense of peace and seclusion. At the front door, step into the welcoming center hall with handsome wainscoting. Elegant moldings continue to your left in the front-to-back dining room, boasting a Delft tile surround fireplace and gorgeous wide-plank hardwood floors. Straight ahead, off the back hall, is an updated lavette with adjacent laundry facilities. Across the center hall, you enter the dining area of the newly expanded gourmet kitchen, which features a new LG refrigerator and an Ilve Italian Majestic dual-fuel stove with 6 gas burners. In addition to a luminous picture window and a large center island, the kitchen opens to a charming family room with handmade raised wood panels over the lovely fireplace. Designed for ultimate relaxation, the space continues into a fabulous tray-ceiling sunroom, offering walkout access to a 2-tiered deck. You'll savor spring through autumn, overlooking the sprawling backyard with beautiful landscaping and a bonus gardening shed. Segue back indoors and upstairs to the primary suite, where double closets and an updated ensuite bath with a glass-enclosed shower adds luxury to daily pampering. 2 additional pleasing bedrooms with perfect retreats for family, while an office and a full bath with a stone vanity complete the second floor. This serene location enjoys superb proximity to local shopping, gas stations, banks, and the post office. Only 5 minutes down the road is the historic Cumberland Monastery, which is home to the fabulous restored Cumberland Public Library. The Blackstone River Bikeway along the Blackstone River is less than 10 minutes away. A 20-minute drive south lands you in Providence for evening entertainment, followed by world-class dining and culture across Federal Hill, downtown, and the east side. The Providence train station provides easy access to the commuter rail and direct passage to both Boston and New York. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Pat Murphy at area code 401-524-3272.